Thank you, Alex. Some of you may recall that at our last get-together, we spent a good bit of time, or I spent a good bit of time, talking about California Attorney General Kamala Harris, her desire to turn California into a judicial state. In other words, you have to go in front of a judge to foreclose. Why is this significant? Well, if you look at the parts of the country where we do not have a housing recovery, they tend to be the states that were in the Union in the Civil War, who take their judicial model from English common law, and you have to have a judge rule on a transfer of property, on a foreclosure. So sure enough, Kamala Harris has in fact done what we predicted. She has passed the California Homeowner Bill of Rights, which is essentially the Attorney General's settlement with respect to robo-signing on steroids. What does this mean? Well, it means that California, which had cleared very nicely because it is a non-judicial state, is now going to be like New York and Massachusetts and the District of Columbia. You can be sure that no private investor will ever want to write a mortgage in the District of Columbia because you cannot foreclose here, nor can you foreclose in Massachusetts. There will never be a private label market in these states again until these laws are changed. So what happens in California? Let's say you're a big bank and you didn't read the California Homeowner Bill of Rights. If you try and do a non-judicial foreclosure, the homeowner has a cause of action against you. In fact, under California public policy, the homeowner can sue you and you have to pay the legal expenses. The trial lawyers and the public employee unions in California run everything. So what Ms. Harris did was she took the Attorney General's settlement, sat down with her buddies in the trial bar, the poverty advocates, etc., and they have created a booby trap for lenders and servicers. Another interesting twist is, let's say the house is foreclosed. The homeowner, the former debtor, then has a right to sue you for personal injury